Alright, so I'm going to show you symbols. Okay, so in Adobe Animate, symbols give you more flexibility as far as keeping your timeline clean and organized, and also to be able to add special effects. So if I go ahead and draw another ball here, I am going to go ahead and call this ball symbol, no spaces. And so I've drawn this, but now I can select it, right click, convert to a symbol. Now there's different kinds of symbols. Ball symbol is what I'm going to call it. Graphic, movie clip, and button. So I'm going to keep mine a graphic. I prefer that because you can preview those symbols. Movie clips you can't. So graphic, I'm going to choose that, registration in the center, and I'm going to hit OK. So you know something's a symbol because it's got this box around it, and when I go to my library, it's going to show this different looking graphic here, and it says ball symbol. Okay, so like I said, if I click on this, I can go to my properties panel and I could do an alpha. I can make it lighter, which works great, but I'm just going to leave it as is. But then if I double left click into it, these symbols have their own timelines, and you can have other animations going on inside of it. So the nice thing about this, you would only see the one symbol in your main timeline, and you could have like eyes blinking or closed. So this is a way you can combine tweens, because normally you can't combine tweens on top of each other. It doesn't work that way in the main timeline. But I just wanted you to be aware that that's how symbols work.